Welcome to Pacific E-Learning Initiative's overview series on Sakai. In this episode, we will be looking at adding a YouTube video to your Sakai page. There are several places within Sakai that you can add videos, such as a YouTube video. Anywhere you see an editor such as this, you can add a YouTube video. You'll find editors like this in the textual content editor in lessons, also in syllabus, and lessons, resources are the two main ones, wikis, I believe. Anyway, to add a site. So to add a YouTube video, we would find where in our lesson we want our video to appear. And in this case, I'm going to put it under an assignment. Okay, there we go. I'm going to click on Edit. We've got our assignments, and I've already put some information in here, but let's say I wanted to add a YouTube video to this segment. The way that you would do that is first by coming to your YouTube site. Here I've got the video that I'd like to embed, and the key here is this button that's on YouTube called Embed. So I click that, and you'll notice that some code pops up that's already highlighted. Now it comes default with the included rated videos and related videos. In this case, since I only want my students to see that one video, I'm going to decheck that. I can show a border, enable privacy mode, or play in high definition. While high definition would be tempting, you don't want to necessarily do that with your students because you can't guarantee that all your students are going to have fast internet. So if they've got slow internet and you force a high definition, it may slow their connection down and they may not be able to see the video. So I would just let that be their choice. And you can also select color schemes if you want to get to that level of detail. In this case, I'm just going to save the default. I'm going to double click the line that starts with object width and so on. And I'm going to copy this. Then I come back to my Sakai site into my editor. And the key here is that I just can't paste it. I actually have to paste it into the code. So I'm going to paste it at the bottom of this text. And I'm going to click this source button. And what the source button does is it allows you to look at the HTML code behind what it is that the students are seeing. In this case, it's simple. If you don't understand the code, don't worry about it. That's one of the reasons why you might want to just put it at the bottom of the page, because then you don't have to worry about placing it correctly. And if you've done this correctly, there should be about 7 lines of code, 6 or 7 lines of code. And it's going to look something like this, and all you have to do is click save. And when you come back, you'll notice that in Sakai it won't actually show your video, but it will show this little plug. That's because we're still editing it. I'm going to click save, and now if I come up here and I view the site as a participant and I come to assignments, the video will show.